What you doing?
Setting up the sprayer for the job.
All right, we're gonna spray that boat, make it look brand new. All set up. Where's the painter?
Setting up the paint.
Out the paint. Ready?
No, I'm just testing.
Looking good?
But I'm doing the second coat now on the boat.
Nice and smooth.
Looking good, right?
Looking great. How you doing? She's coming along beautifully. And then there's that. Last coat. Getting that center console nice and smooth. What are we doing now?
Water sanding. Wet sanding. Brings out the shine.
Paint job complete. She is smooth and clean and ready to send on her way to install the engine right there. Good job, Alex.